Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf with FrekiFitVember Day 18. Yeah. Alright, so first of all, because I know y'all know I'm on the highway right now, I hit record a while ago and I'm editing that out. I don't want you guys to think I'm playing that much with my phone while I'm driving. Just the dude under the bridge always makes me anxious. I don't know. So I hit record and then I just waited until after that to start talking. So anyway, FrekiFitVember Day 18. Gonna be honest, I was tempted to fib, but that doesn't benefit me. It definitely won't benefit you guys, and I've made a promise a long time ago that never to do that. I have not been active yet today. I haven't. My plan is to be active after work, to get something in. I will be making rice for dinner. Well, you know, rice and other stuff. But that's got to cook for a half hour, so I plan on doing it then. I'm saying fingers crossed, but no, Robert, you have to do it. So, that's the plan. But let me know what you guys are doing. Comment either here or my Facebook group. And also, I did want to mention that if you guys are used to my good morning videos in the Facebook group or on Instagram, I'm taking a week off from them. It can be, I don't know why, it's just a little 13-second video, but it can really be a lot of pressure on me mentally, and trying to think of something interesting and encouraging to say every single day. So I'm just taking a little break from it, at least this week, and then get back in it next week. I think it's just spending a lot of time with my phone as far as recording those, uploading that to Instagram, then uploading that to my Facebook group and a bunch of other weight loss Facebook groups, and then also recording a video every day. It's just a lot of phone time. So I think it just kind of got to me, especially with everything going on with, you know, the management thing and all of that jazz. So I will get back to it. I still obviously am your guys' cheerleader. I still want every day to be amazing. Just because I'm not posting those doesn't mean, you know, my feelings have changed about that. But yeah, so anyway, let me know what you guys are doing with your activity. And I will, tomorrow, in tomorrow's video, tell you what I did tonight. Yeah. So, I had something else I wanted to mention. What did I want to mention? I don't know. I don't remember what I was going to talk about related to this channel, so we're going to talk about related to Robert. I'm going to Google later, so I'll probably already have the answer before I post this video, but feel free to comment, let me know. I have started getting a rash on the sides of my stomach. And I'm curious if rashes can develop from stress. Because literally nothing else has changed in my world. Detergents, soap, none of that stuff has changed. No new foods, nothing that could trigger a reaction like that. Only thing that has changed is stress levels. So I'm curious if that can cause a rash. And also, you guys know I'm just extra paranoid because the last time I got a weird rash, and it's starting to look how that one did, it was when I got really, really sick with what the doctors think was COVID despite negative tests. So that makes me a little bit nervous. Extra masks and stuff like that. I might even go so far as to go get another test, but I'm kind of getting tired of getting things shoved up my nose. But I'm thinking it's probably stress because no other symptoms going on. I don't have a runny nose. I don't have a cough. I mean, not any more than usual for this time of year. I feel 100% fine. Nothing else is going on that would make me think that it's being sick or have the COVID rash. And it's just on the sides of like my stomach, kind of on either side, that I can see anyway. Last time it started on my neck here, so I'm going to ask a coworker to look and see in case it's something similar to that. And we don't know 100% if last time it was the quote-unquote COVID rash or if it was another rash due to something else. Don't know. But I know she did point out that I was starting to get something over here, but I looked and that's gone. So, and that was while, that was during the high stress of the general manager telling me that I'm going to become the manager, and stepping down the other two. So that's what makes me think it is stress related. So fingers crossed. If you guys know the answer to that already, cool. Feel free, like I said, to let me know. I'm going to Google it when I get to work. But it's just really, really weird. And it's not bumpy. It's just discoloration, no itching, no hurting, no nothing. It's really weird. So yeah, that's the interesting thing going on in my world right now. We can't, just have a normal, boring life. I was telling a customer this the other day, and I still feel that way, that I long for the day that I can say I'm bored. That I'm not stressed out about this, that I'm not busy doing that I can just say that I am bored. I never thought I would want to say that. But I really, 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 really want to be bored. So bad. But yeah, so anyway, luckily though, despite stress, despite, what happened Sunday, I'm hating food-wise. I do not plan on anything changing that. I am going to stick to my food and calories. And tonight, I'm poking myself in the head to remind myself, to tell myself that I have to get some activity in tonight. And like I said, my goal is literally 20 minutes. So even if I don't do something as high intense as I have been doing, where I do work up a sweat, where I do get red in the face or heavy breathing, even if it is just me walking in place, watching True Blood, because I'm decided to start watching True Blood lately, watching that while my rice is cooking, then so be it. But it is something, it is going to be active, something extra besides what my body is used to on the daily. Because that's the whole point of this, is our bodies adjust to our lives. Even when I have, can get 10,000 steps in at work, my body's kind of used to that. It knows it can handle that very often. Granted, yesterday I got like 5,000, but I worked out. So, but it wasn't like a high step workout. So, but yeah, so that is my plan. And that is also a reminder to you guys that, even when it's not something high intensity, just walking in place or marching in place while you're seated, that is all going to count. That is your body moving extra. Unfortunately, this morning I spent most of my time playing I don't even want to call it stupid because I love it so much. Playing a video game, playing Assassin's Creed Valhalla. I am in Europe right now and I am loving it. But it's not something that you can easily be extra with. Sorry, there's a police officer over here. No wonder everybody all of a sudden started to slow down on the highway and go the speed limit. But when you're playing a video game, it's not easy to be moving because your hands are busy and you need to aim. So even marching your legs while you're trying to play, it's not very easy to do. So tonight, no video game. I'll be cooking, I'll be walking in place, and maybe, get a few jogging in. I'm going to try to, do some, let's jog for 30 seconds, and then walk. And then let's jog for maybe a minute, and then walk. And that type of stuff. That's my goal. That is what I'm going to do tonight. I have decided it shall be so. All right, I'm rambling at this point, aren't I? And also I noticed my hair is really, really flat. I just got out of the shower, and I'm on my way to work, obviously. And so my hair is really flat. I know everybody voted that the straightforward down look is not their favorite. So I am going with that, and I will be fluffing it and messing it and texturing it and all that fun stuff when I get to work. I didn't have time, and my hair's still wet, so can't do any of that while it's wet. All right, done rambling, I think. Yeah, sorry. This is very entertaining for you guys, isn't it? So let's end it here. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your activities are. Yell at me for not doing it this morning, because I make excuses in my head too often. So give me a little, hey, dude, get your life together. Get your goals in mind, because because, yeah, I need it. I honestly do love when you guys call me out for some of my BS. So thank you. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.